Intermittent surging lights can be frustrating. Here's a breakdown of potential causes and troubleshooting steps. Firstly, loose connections should be investigated. Carefully check all electrical connections. Pay close attention to connections made previously, including those by others. Ensure all screws and terminals are properly tightened. Secondly, consider overloaded circuits. Use a clamp meter to measure the current draw on each circuit. Compare the measured current to the circuit breaker's rating. If a circuit is consistently overloaded, consider redistributing the load or adding a new circuit. Thirdly, examine for faulty wiring. Inspect all visible wiring for any signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections. Look for frayed insulation, melted wires, or any other anomalies. If you find any damage, replace the affected wiring. Fourthly, check for arcing or sparking. Look for visual signs of arcing or sparking around electrical components. Listen for any crackling or buzzing sounds. Arcing can indicate loose connections or damaged insulation and poses a fire hazard. Fifthly, explore power fluctuations. Determine if the problem occurs only during specific times of the day or under certain conditions. For example, do the lights surge when other appliances are running? This could indicate an issue with the power supply. Begin by contacting the power company to report the issue and request an inspection. The power company may use specialized equipment to detect intermittent power fluctuations on their end. If the power company doesn't find a problem, re-inspect all electrical connections yourself. Pay particular attention to neutral connections. Use a voltage tester to ensure that the neutral wires are properly connected and not loose. Loose neutral wires can cause voltage fluctuations and surging lights. A qualified electrician can further diagnose the problem and make necessary repairs. They have specialized equipment and expertise to identify and resolve complex electrical issues. Consider using a surge protector to protect lights and other sensitive electronics from voltage spikes. A surge protector can absorb excess voltage and prevent it from damaging your devices. A voltage stabilizer can help regulate voltage fluctuations, which may reduce the likelihood of intermittent surging. A voltage stabilizer can smooth out voltage variations and provide a more stable power supply. When checking electrical connections, ensure the power is off. Use insulated tools and follow proper safety procedures. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses and gloves. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, it is always best to consult a qualified electrician. They can safely and effectively diagnose and repair electrical problems. When using a clamp meter, follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Ensure that the meter is properly calibrated and that you understand how to interpret the readings. When inspecting wiring, look for signs of rodent damage. Rodents can chew on wires and cause damage that can lead to electrical problems. If you find evidence of rodent activity, take steps to address the infestation. Consider the age of the wiring. Older wiring may be more susceptible to damage and corrosion. If the wiring is very old, it may be time to replace it. If you suspect a problem with the main electrical panel, contact a qualified electrician immediately. Do not attempt to repair the panel yourself, as this can be very dangerous. When working with electricity, always err on the side of caution. If you are unsure about something, consult a qualified electrician. Remember that electricity can be dangerous, and it is important to take all necessary precautions to protect yourself and your property. Also, it is important to note that while surge protectors offer protection against transient voltage spikes, they do not regulate consistent overvoltage or undervoltage conditions. A voltage stabilizer or an uninterruptible power supply, commonly called a UPS, may be more appropriate for addressing persistent voltage fluctuations. These devices actively regulate the voltage supplied to connected equipment, ensuring a stable and consistent power supply. An electrician can evaluate the specific electrical conditions to suggest the best solution. Also consider the type of lighting installed. LED lights, while energy efficient, can be more sensitive to voltage fluctuations than traditional incandescent bulbs. This is because they rely on electronic drivers to regulate the current flow. If the voltage fluctuates, the driver may not be able to compensate, resulting in noticeable flickering or surging. High-quality LED fixtures with robust drivers can mitigate this issue. In some cases, the problem may not be within the home's electrical system, but rather in the power company's distribution network. Problems such as a loose connection on a transformer or a faulty voltage regulator at a substation can cause voltage fluctuations that affect multiple customers. Informing neighbors of the problem, and if they are experiencing the same symptoms, may add credence to the complaint with the power company and encourage them to investigate the problem. Moreover, if the home has solar panels, consider that they can sometimes inject voltage fluctuations into the grid, which could then affect your own system. Turning off the solar panels temporarily to see if the problem goes away is a reasonable diagnostic step. The sensitivity of modern electronics to voltage fluctuations is increasing as devices become more sophisticated. Therefore, even small voltage variations that were once tolerable may now cause problems. As a general practice, it is always a good idea to have a qualified electrician inspect the home's electrical system periodically. This can help identify potential problems before they become major issues and ensure that the system is operating safely and efficiently. A professional inspection also includes checking the grounding system. Improper grounding can lead to a variety of electrical problems, including voltage fluctuations and increased risk of electrical shock. An adequate grounding system provides a path for fault current to flow back to the source, tripping the circuit breaker and preventing a dangerous situation. Ensure that all grounding connections are tight and free of corrosion. If the problem persists despite all troubleshooting efforts, consider using a power quality analyzer to monitor the voltage and current in the electrical system over time. This device can capture detailed data on voltage fluctuations, harmonics, and other power quality parameters, which can help pinpoint the source of the problem. Power quality analyzers are typically used by electricians and power companies, but they can be rented for a short period of time.